Let's just talk about some of those existing portfolios that you're seeing with some of your investors.
There are certain verticals that have done very well if you get it right. So health tech is really doing well, particularly if you're looking at virtual wellness or digital wellness. There's a lot of action in that space. Ed tech is a really interesting one right now. If kids are going to be dipping in and out of whatever this new normal looks like, there's a massive role that ed tech can play in sort of softening that blow to an extent. Future of work, as I've mentioned, really exciting space right now. Esports blew up at the start of this. So all of a sudden, when you've had a sporting environment where, whether it's betting on sports or it's watching sports, when the sports landscape dies, one of the main entertainment or live sporting entertainment funnels was esports, right? So esports had an amazing 3 or 4 months in terms of investment and startups in that space. And now it's sort of all starting to settle. Actually, surprisingly, property was doing pretty well. Construction was still going on. So we had one of our big eco home clients close a Series C in 6 days because it was as safe a bet as it could have been. There's some of the verticals that did well, ones that I saw real upturns in.
So if you enjoy this content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll be creating weekly business boardroom conversations just like this.